Different what different, sir? Chetan, handlum. Yeah.
So namaste, a warm welcome to all of you. Wishing you all a very, very happy Republic Day. I now request Mr. Vedant, our PVI professional, to start this program. Over to you, Mr. Vedant.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste and very happy 76th Republic Day wishes to all of you. I am Vedant Sinha, a PVI professional. Today is a historically important day, the day on which we got the constitution for our country. On this on this happy occasion, Prakashimka Vocational Institute, fondly known as PVI, welcomes you all for this joyous occasion. As usual, we begin the function by invoking the blessing of God by lighting the lamp in request of our chief guest, Mr. Balaji Jilla sir, and our beloved participant to join the virtual lighting of the lamp, followed by a prayer song. May I request the IT team to do the needful.
Kindly give a moment. The IT team will be sharing the lighting of the lamp now. We are going to start our prayer song now. I request all my dear professionals to kindly join our hands. Close your eyes. Take your attention to God. This moment, let us all thank God for all the blessings He has showered on us. Let us pray to God to give us more energy to achieve in life. As you all pray, the IT team will be sharing the prayer song.
अब होंगे कामयाब
Gently open your eyes. Over to Ms. Damini for further proceedings.
Thank you, Mr. Vedant and the IT team. Namaste and a very happy Republic Day to all of you. I am Damini, a PVI professional. Now we will move to a special part of our celebration, unfurling unfurling our national flag. I request our esteemed chief guest, other distinguished guests, and dear professional to kindly come forward to unfurl the flag. Everyone, please stand at attention as we pay respect to our Tiranga. After the flag is unfurled, we will sing our national anthem together.
Thank you, Ms. Damini. Requesting all my dear professionals, parents, and esteemed guests to kindly stand up for the unfurling of flag and national anthem. Those who are traveling, I request you all to keep your video switched off. Yes, all ready? Yes, IT team, you may proceed.
PVI family, salute the flag. PVI family, hand down.
As the national anthem is going to be played, I want all my dear professionals to hold your fist in this manner and stand straight. No movement at all, okay? Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, IT team. Dear PVI family and esteemed guests, you may kindly take your seat now. Over to Ms. Damini to continue the session.
Thank you, IT team, for the honor. It is morning time in India, which means we must have a high energy at this time of the day. Here comes Mrs. Sakshi, Miss Sakshi, with a motivation song to boost our energy for the day by seeking blessings from the divine. Sakshi, a PVI professional from the US batch, conducted in collaboration with We Embrace. It's a fun-loving, happy-go-lucky girl who loves to play people around her. She loves music, hearts, and calendars. Over to you, Miss Sakshi.
Thank you. हमको मन की शक्ति देना मन विजय करे दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना। भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, जो दोस्त भूला हो तो माफ कर सके। भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, दोस्त भूला हो तो माफ कर सके। झूठ से बचे रहे, सच का दम बढ़े, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे। दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना। मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पे इतना कर्मा कर, साथ दे दो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर। मुश्किलें बढ़े तो हम पे इतना कर्म कर, साथ दे दो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर। खुद पे हासुला रहे, पदी से ना डरे। दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे। दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Miss Sakshi. Now over to Ramakrishna to continue the proceedings. Ramakrishna, are you there? Krish, are you there? Ramakrishna, you can unmute now.
Namaste
Okay.
and happy
I'm happy.
Republic Day
Republic Day
to all of you.
to all of you.
I am
I am
Ramakrishnan,
Ramakrishnan,
a PVI
a
professional.
professional.
That was a
That was a
wonderful song,
position.
Miss Sakshi.
Sashi.
Many thanks
Many thanks
for that.
for that.
I now call
Mhm.
upon
Mhm.
the director
Welcome.
of Prakramika
America.
Vocational Institute,
Attitude.
Vocational
Policy.
Institute,
Policy.
Dr. Gayatri
Gayatri.
Narasimhan,
Narasimhan.
Madam,
Welcome.
to give
You.
welcome address
Address.
to the gathering.
Gathering.
Thank you, Mr. Ramakrishna. Namaste and a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Balaji Jilla sir, our professionals from both India and US, friends and other distinguished guests, our esteemed board members. I wish you all a very, very happy 76th Republic Day. Today, as we celebrate the day our Constitution came into effect, we also take a moment to honor the spirit of inclusion and opportunity that defines Prakramika Vocational Institute. At PVI, we are privileged to provide pathways for learning, growth, and empowerment for our professionals. Occasions like this remind us of the importance of upholding the values of equality, respect, and inclusion for every individual, which lie at the heart of our mission. Republic Day symbolizes the vision of our nation's founding leaders, a promise that each citizen, regardless of background or ability, deserves equal opportunity. I hope you all would agree. I would like to extend our gratitude and warm welcome to Mr. Balaji Jilla sir, an information security expert from from USA, and one who has devoted his time equally to public service in diversified areas. A warm welcome to you, sir. The advisory board members of PVI, Mr. Amir sir, Mrs. Padma Ramani madam, Mr. Pradeep Singh sir, and Dr. Lakshmi Sarkar madam are a source of strength for PVI. Their guidance is invaluable to PVI. While remaining thankful to them always, we extend our heartiest welcome to our esteemed board members. I also extend my hearty welcome to all other dignitaries, faculties of PVI, my dearest students, whom I call the best professionals, young champions. They are super moms and super dads who trust us and our progress, who have joined us this morning. Your presence signifies your belief in our mission and your dedication of shaping a brighter future for our children. As we salute our national flag and celebrate the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, let us renew our commitment to nurturing each and every child's unique potential. Together, we can build an environment where all dreams, especially those of our professionals, can flourish. Once again, I welcome you all to this momentous occasion. May today's celebration inspire us all to uphold the true spirit of our Republic of India, where every ability is valued. Thank you and Jai Hind. Over to Mr. Vedant to introduce the chief guest and continue the proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Gayatri, madam. I am extremely delighted to introduce our guest speaker today function, Mr. Balaji Jilla sir. It is my honor and privilege to introduce esteemed chief guest for today's 76th Republic Day celebration, Mr. Balaji Jilla sir. Mr. Balaji Jilla sir is a proud community leader who has dedicated nearly 30 years of his life to serving the community in the United States, while always staying connected to his root in Hyderabad, India. Professionally, he plays a vital role in supporting the United States Army's information security efforts, ensuring safety and security behind his work. Mr. Balaji sir is a devoted husband to Mrs. Meenakshi Devi and a loving father to 3 sons. Let me list out some of his accomplishment. which spans across various fields. He is a founder and a past president of NAPA, working to save and support traditional weaver. He is currently uh, leads a GPA dedicated to creating a better world for weaver and Triple H art and for the handicapped, helping individuals with special needs. He serves as an executive board member of the Gandhian Society USA, promoting the values of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also the director of Banyan Heart Residency India, supporting artists and their creative journey. His past role include being the president of Hindu Samaj Temple in New York, a board member of Interfaith Council of Dutchness, New York, and even running for public office in 2015, showcasing his deep commitment to public service. Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me giving a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Balaji Jilla, sir, and request you, Balaji Jilla, sir, to kindly address this August gathering.
Thank you, Vedant. Thank you, Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, for setting this up. Truly impressed the term the professionals, and wishing you all happy Republic Day for India. Myself being Indian, left the country about 30 years ago, currently serves United States Army, but it's always a honor and a privilege to support and take care of my countrymen in any form. True professionals. I'm very impressed, Vedant, and all the team members who are here today to celebrate our Indian Republic Day. I'm all in all the time. I never felt any individual should be left out. Hum honge kamyab. Very beautiful. Always, we need to invoke that spirit in us that whatever form we are, we will be successful. Man ki shakti dena. We always go to our divine power. Let's believe in that divine power. There is some power in up that constantly provides us that strength, belief, and support for each other. This is the true being for the humanity. Today, as we celebrate the Republic Day, I congratulate entire team of professionals, all the organizers here. Keep doing this, and then we are here for you for what all you need. From the heart, from the hand we give for everybody. And that is what our belief is. Thank you for doing this. I'm wishing you all the best. And when I visit India, I'm going to definitely come to you all. Currently, I'm the president for the Heart Hand for the Handicapped, and we support about 250 organizations today. And every time I visit, I try to make it to few of the organization in person to meet all the children. God bless children. Differently abled, but very wonderful. The creativity, the charm, the smartness they have, the heart pours out. You are a true gem, all of you. I love you. Let's continue the program. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I now request Ms. Damini to kindly proceed.
It was a great speech from Mr. Balaji Jala sir as a token of appreciation on the behalf of Parikima Vocational Institution. We honor Mr. Balaji Jail sir with a certificate of gratitude. I call upon Dr. Gayatri Narasimhana to convey a note of thanks to this distinguished chief guest.
Thank you, Ms. Damini. Thank you, Balaji sir, for being with us today and for your encouragement and support. It truly matters for us because we need those helping hands to move on, to move ahead, and to achieve. So we need the community support a lot, and I'm aware of the amount of work, the amount of contribution you've been doing, and today we are really privileged to have you with us. And thank you, sir. Thank you for those encouraging words to our professionals. I'm sure each and every professional, you would take what Balaji sir had suggested and achieve in life. Sir, this is a token of our gratitude to you. And of course, there is one more token of gratitude which would be coming from We Embrace. It's a NPO in California, Sacramento. So we have a professional over there studying with us. So he would be sending his handmade gift to you. So this is a token of our gratitude. And thank you so much, sir, once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I now request Ms. Damini to continue.
Thank you, Dr. Gayatri ma'am. Next, we have a national song from Mr. Avinav, a professional from the US batch. It's an 18 years old music love from Houston, Texas. He has been learning classic Carnatic music singing since the age of 6. When he was not even verbal, enjoys listening to music and sing in multiple genres and many languages such as Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, and English. He continues to get trained by the multiple gurus to own his skills and perform in many local events. Over to you, Mr. Avinav.
Happy Republic Day.
Okay, ready?
Yes. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे ज्यादा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान कहे हम, सबको मानता चाहते हैं। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जय हिंद।
Wow, that was really wonderful, Abhinav. That was so nice. I request Ms. Damini to kindly continue.
Thank you, Mr. Abhinav. It was all the music to our ears. Next we have Mr. Panjal with the keyboard to play a national song. Panjal Mishra is a graphic designer and a digital artist. He also a graduate from IGNOU. He likes to play Bollywood songs and dance. Today he's playing Bharat Humko Humse Pyara Hai from the movie Roja. Over to you, Mr. Pranjal.
Namaste, I am Padamishna. I am a PVR professional. I am playing Bharat Humko Humse Pyara Hai. Wish you a happy Republic Day.
That was really lovely. Pranjal, do you wish to say something? You can unmute.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pranjal. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Chinmay to kindly proceed with the session.
Thank you, Mr. Pranjal. That was awesome. Namaste and happy Republic Day to all of you. I am Chinmay Bhatki, a PVI professional. As we celebrate the 76th Republic Day, it's time to showcase the from the various departments of Prakramika Vocational Institute. Planting of saplings. First, we have a presentation from Early Childhood Education Department, where our professionals are trained to become teacher assistants and assistants. This is a wonderful display of responsibility and care for the environment. The students from the department have taken the initiative to plant saplings in various places to mark this Republic Day. This thoughtful act not only symbolizes growth and sustainability but also reminds us of our duty to give back to nature. Let's put our hands together and welcome our professionals.
Okay, just give me one moment. We are going to put spotlight the people who have contributed for the environment. So I think the first, yeah, Mahesh is there. Roma, are you there? Can you raise your hand, Roma? You added her, okay. Okay. Damini is on spotlight. Siddhant, right? Yeah. Vedant, he will be as a co-host. Good job by all of you. So here we go, the compilation of saplings, planting the saplings. Thank you for contributing to the environment.
I am planting the sapling of coriander plant in our garden.
Grow plants, grow future. I put hello, I am planting plant. Plant I am but some the fault I praise winter. I do digging sapling fully. You have to be very carefully. I add on water.
Hello everybody. I am planting a sapling to save the environment on this Republic Day.
Okay. और भी कुछ बोल सकते? Anything else you want to say?
नहीं.
What do plants give us?
Plants gives us oxygen. The plants reduces the pollution. It reduces the global warming.
Yes.
To all my teachers and friends, a very happy Republic Day. God bless our beautiful India. I planted a mango sapling, the national fruit of India. Jai Hind.
That was seriously, I was getting goosebumps. Superb, my dear professionals, for contributing to the environment. Big claps to all of you. Honestly, you all deserve a very huge claps. Yes, good job. Mr. Chinmay, over to Mr. Chinmay to continue.
Yes. That was really nice gesture and commitment to our Mother Earth. Our next item is a unique skit. While we know all important prominent personalities who played a vital role in drafting the constitution of our country, there are many unsung heroes who have played equally a vital role in our nation's freedom and progress post-independence. These are the individuals whose sacrifices and contributions often go unnoticed but remain an integral part of our history. Today, our talented professionals from the new batch at PVI will present a heartfelt speech to pay tribute to these ancient heroes. Let us all watch with pride and gratitude as they bring to life the stories of these forgotten champions of India. Over to Miss Roma, who plays the role of narrator.
Yeah, just hold on, Chinmay. We will present the design. Roma, okay. Thank you, Mr. Chinmay.
Yes, over to Miss Roma, who plays the role of the narrator.
Hello everyone. Today let's take a journey back in time and meet some amazing people who helped shape the Constitution of India. Their hard work gave us the Republic Day we proudly celebrate today. I pass the baton to an amazing person who strongly advocated for gender equality, Ms. Hansa Jivraj Mehta.
I'm Hansa Jivraj Mehta. Thank you, Ms. Roma. I'm Hansa Jivraj Mehta. I was instrumental in drafting provisions related to women rights to ensure their equal treatment in the Constitution compared to men. I also helped to change the words of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights to include everyone equally. I pass on the baton to none other than the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly, Mr. B.N. Rao.
Over to Mr. Siddhant, who plays the role of B.N. Rao.
Okay. करना ओके हाँ करो नीचे नीचे I am being Rao, the advisor to the Constitute Assembly. I study law from around the world. The implemented the best practices to create the first draft of India Constitution. My work become the foundation for the final document. I now pass on the baton to the house of the Constitute Assembly with Dakshayani Velayudan.
I am Dakshayani Velayudan, the only Dalit woman in the Constituent Assembly. I fought for the equal right of marginalized people and war to remove untouchability. I firmly believe that India Constitution had a bigger job, not just govern the people, but to improve society. I now pass the baton to one who reform to shape India's system, Mr. Aladji Krishna Swamy Arya.
I am Krishna Swamy Iyer, a legal expert in the Routing Committee. I contributed significantly to debate on fundamental rights, fundamental success, and the judiciary role in the Constitution. I helped shape the rule that protect our rights
and ensure
Yeah.
and ensure justice
and ensure justice in our country. I pass the baton to Mrs. Swaminathan, who created everyone equally and fought for minority and human rights.
I am Amut Swaminathan. I'm a member of the Constituent Assembly. I fought for social justice and women's empowerment. I was part of the committee that worked on minority rights. I worked to make sure our constitution included equal opportunities for everyone, no matter the background. Passing the baton to our eloquent narrator, Miss Roma.
Thank you, Ms. Ammu Swaminathan, and to all our unsung heroes. These inspiring leaders made sure our Constitution stands for justice, equality, and unity. Because of their efforts, we celebrate Republic Day with pride and honor. Let's follow their path and make India even greater.
With this unique skit, we hope to pay a tribute to our unsung heroes of the Constitution and to our motherland.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Beautiful. That was really beautiful. I mean, speechless, I should say. Amazing. Actually, when we came up with what to do for this Republic Day theme, Akila was very, very particular. We have to honor the unsung heroes this time, because their contribution often goes, or many times it goes unnoticed. So she was very thing that we have to honor them. And Akila, that was beautifully mentored by you. And my dear professionals, you did an awesome work. It was so nice watching and listening to the impactful dialogues. Thank you.
Thank you, Gayatri ma'am.
Thank you. I now request Mr. Chinmay to kindly continue the sessions.
Thank you, professionals from individual courses, for shedding light on unsung heroes and heroines of our motherland. Next, we are delighted to showcase the incredible work of our talented designing and animation students. This year, they have channeled their creativity and skills to design stunning Republic Day themed visuals. These creatives beautifully reflect the spirit of patriotism, diversity, and unity that our nation stands for. Let's celebrate their creativity and hard work with a big round of applause as they present their masterpiece to us. Over to our designing and animation students.
I request my designing and animation professionals to kindly raise your virtual hand, so that we can put you on spotlight. Chinmay, you are already on spotlight. Yes. So Chinmay, Rohan, Gayatri, Pramit, Deenal, Karthik, Ishan.
So, ma'am, may I also share on the screen my thing?
No, it will come. It will come. Yours has been already compiled, Vedant, so it will be coming, not to worry. Okay. Aditya Varun, are you there? Himanshi, Aditya Varun. Riddhi was traveling. Okay. I hope we have not left anyone. I know some of you are not here. You've lost your connection. It's okay. So yes, I request the IT team kindly share their creatives. Indeed, splendid creatives, I must say. Beautiful, my designing team. You are always amazing. Amazing, all of you. Good job. And please continue this awesome work. Okay? Please continue. Even we are learning from you. So thank you. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Chinmay kindly continue the session.
Yes. What a creativity from our designing professionals. Kudos to them. Next, we are thrilled to share a unique and creative tribute from our hospitality department. They have beautifully captured the spirit of the day with a stunning character display of food, symbolizing the colors of our national flag, saffron, white, and green. Each dish is a representation of unity, creativity, and the pride we hold for our nation. Let's give a big round of applause to our hospitality department for this innovative and delicious tribute.
Those who have contributed for the hospitality creatives, I request you all to virtually raise your hand. So we have Advait, Ishan, Vedant. Are you there? Yeah, Vedant is there. Yes. Soham?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
1 second. Let me just
Urvashi.
Yes.
Yes, done. Ayush?
Ayush, yes.
Anyone else have shared? Nupur has shared. Deepak, are you there? Trinyashri? I request you all to virtually raise your hand because it's little difficult for us to find you people. Yeah, Trinyashri is here.
Deepak is here.
Deepak Ramesh, are you there? Deepak, are you there? Yeah, I think you can continue. Yeah.
Okay. Advait, Ayush, Trinyashri,
Yeah.
Ishan, Urvashi,
Yes, they are there.
Soham, and Vedant.
Yeah, you can continue now.
Okay.
So let us see their creatives from the hospitality department.
Everybody, today I am cutting a simple salad of tricolor of Tiranga. 26 January is the Republic Day of India. Happy Republic Day.
Wasn't that amazing? Amazing. Seriously amazing. Hospitality department just rocked. Thank you. Wonderful. So that shows the interest and the commitment from your side. Truly, I just don't have words to express that happiness we are receiving from this side. Thank you, Hospitality Department. Now I request Mr. Chinmay to kindly continue. Yes, Mr. Chinmay, you can continue now.
It was a wonderful virtual treat of mouth-watering dishes from hospitality professionals. Overall, it was a delightful display of various talents by our professionals from various departments of PVR. We are amazed by their immense dedication and the creative displays of their capabilities. Now over to Mr. Ramakrishna to comment conclude part of the event. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chinmay. Of service program. Miss Akira faculty of PBI to give vote of thanks. Vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ramakrishnan. Namaste and happy Republic Day to everyone. I'm sure all of you were spellbound by the events of today, the motivating speech of our chief guest, and the display of talents by our amazing professionals. It is time to acknowledge the contributions of everyone for the success of this program. We are extremely thankful to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Balaji Jilla sir, for his inspiring speech and sparing his valuable time for us. Thank you, sir, and we will always be grateful for your support to our initiatives. We are also highly grateful to the advisors to the board of PVI, the faculty of PVI, and the well-wishers of PVI for your unstinted support and graceful presence. We also thank the artists, Ms. Sakshi, Mr. Abhinav, and Mr. Pranjal, who enthralled us with their amazing talent. We are also extremely thankful to the professionals from the departments of PVI, Early Childhood, Hospitality, and Designing and Animation, and from individual courses for their extraordinary display of talent. Speaking of talent, here comes a surprise for everyone. So one of our professionals, Mr. Siddhant, when he was sharing his other video on the planting of saplings, he also shared a wonderful video showcasing his talent of dance, and he was dancing to a patriotic song. This was highly unexpected, and it showcases the love for our country that all of our PVA professionals have. So I wanted to keep this as a surprise towards the end. So, Gayatri ma'am, with your permission, I would like to share
Video.
video.
Please go ahead. Even we are also waiting. Yes.
Yes. So here comes a big surprise for everyone.
Namaste. I am Siddhant Pujari. I perform dance. Happy Republic Day. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे ये तुम्हारे। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे ये तुम्हारे। हमने कहा
That was a wonderful dance, Siddhant. It really, I can see your love for our country in that dance. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. And so I would like to include your name also in the word of thanks. Okay, thank you so much for displaying your dance talent to all of us. We convey our thanks also to the comparing team of Mr. Chinmay Patki, Ms. Damini, Mr. Vedant, and Mr. Ramakrishnan for the skillful comparing of the program. Our sincere thanks to the graphic design professional from PVI, Ms. Zeba, for creating the wonderful flyer for the event. So, one moment, we are putting everyone in the spotlight.
Zeba is there? I saw her sometime back. Okay, you may continue. Okay.
Okay.
Sakshi.
Yes, so we are also putting the artists on spotlight, Ms. Sakshi, Mr. Abhinav, and Mr. Pranjal. I request you to kindly can raise your hand virtually, switch on your video, so it will be easy for us to put you in spotlight. Okay. Yes. Ms. Zeba has just joined. Zeba, is it possible for you to switch on your video? We were just mentioning your name in the vote of thanks. Thank you so much. So I will just repeat that line for Ms. Zeba. Our sincere thanks to the graphic design professional from PVI, Ms. Zeba, for creating the wonderful flyer for the event. As usual, the backing of parents, the super moms and super dads of our young professionals was fantastic. It is very important for PVI and inspires us to do more. Our deepest thanks to all of them for their continuous trust in us and for their encouragement. Once again, many, many thanks to all of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you everyone, my dear professionals, parents, esteemed board members. Thank you so much for making this event a big success. So I have no words for the talent you have displayed, for the creatives you have made, for the work you have displayed, and for the contribution to the environment. Each and everything was just superb. Thank you so much. Keep achieving, keep succeeding. Jai Hind and Namaste to everyone. With this, we conclude today's event. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meditation.